having the
so it's to prove a point.
polls and
then Mr. Pawar is still relevant. But not in this way. You don't compromise your ideals for power, sir.
And look at, from
so, Mr. Castro, are you compromising your ideals for power? It's a simple question. What do you mean? They wrote us off. So this is your way of getting right back into the thick of things, capture the headlines.
No, it's absolutely not. I mean, that's what I'm trying to tell you. I mean, this is a very common question that's going to come up, But what I'm trying to tell you is, why don't you look at what we've said? We want to give unconditional support so that there's a stable government in Maharashtra. This is for the people of Maharashtra.
Okay, well,
it's our way of thanking the people of Maharashtra for supporting us also.
Okay. Let me just bring in Mr. Prakash Javadekar, Union Minister. He's joining us to take some questions one-on-one with us here. Good evening, sir. In the morning, you were saying wait for the meeting at 6 o'clock. Well, the appointed hour is here. Yes. The meeting is underway. I'm going to ask you a simple and straightforward question. Mr. Amit Shah has come out and said, we are not going to be compromising on the choice of Chief Minister. That person will have to be from the BJP. 1, 2, that you are going to form the government. And you will, of course, be taking support. Now, which is the more natural ally for the BJP, the Sena or the NCP, sir? Simple questions.
Sena is our ally even in the center. Sena is our ally even in Mumbai Corporation. The issue is now Shiv Sena has to say what is their stand. So, when their stand will be clear, we will go ahead with our decision.
Sir, I just want to ask you a couple of questions. Some people are saying now that once someone crosses the Rubicon of decency, there's always going to be a lingering trust deficit. Mr. Uddhav Thackeray crossed that Rubicon of decency, made some very off-color remarks. I don't want to repeat them here. But they were really, really below the belt. Can you work with the Sena after this bad blood?
First, Sena has to tell what is their position, what they want to do. So, after they tell, they say the way NCP has expressed that they want to extend external support is their proposal. So, what is Shiv Sena's proposal? What is other parties and independence proposal? Let there be proposals from, and our party will also take a stand.
So has this made it easier for you, the NCP's offer, unconditional offer, has it made it easier for you, Mr. Javadekar, now to play off perhaps both these parties?
Yes.
Has it made it easier for you to play off both these parties because of the NCP's unconditional offer, sir?
No, it is not about making the things easy. The issue is the people have given the verdict and how parties are reacting to the reality now. Earlier there was the campaign, so one can say that we are campaigning, but now it is a fact, result is a fact, and you have to now, can't change the facts, so you have to react on now facts. So what is their position? Let us understand and then we will go ahead.
Okay, Mr. Javadekar, the interesting thing about Mr. Amit Shah's press conference was that when a pointed question was asked of him of the NCP's offer, he did not refuse it. He did not refuse it at all. So are you open to the NCP offering?
No, it is not about my appointing or my approaching or accepting. He said, he explained what is the offer.
Yeah, he said it was an unconditional offer of support from outside, to give outside support, and he says at this moment he didn't want to comment on whether he rejected it or not. Is it open? Would you be open to a scenario where the NCP was giving you an offer of support, Mr. Javadekar?
Because our parliamentary board is the supreme policy making body.
Yes.
And unless it meets and decides, how can we prejudge the thing and announce?
You see, Mr. Javadekar, the thing is this. You could easily take a decision. Because the Sena's ideology is compatible with yours, the NCP's ideology is not quite compatible with yours, point one. They have been in the opposition for 15 years in Maharashtra. and 10 years at the center. Also, of course, most importantly, your party has dismissed the NCP as a corrupt party. So, if you are militating against corruption, then this is not a natural alliance. You should not even consider it.
No, we are already, as I told you, we are already in alliance in the center and we are already in the alliance in Mumbai Corporation. So unless Shiv Sena explains after the result what is their position, then things can be, and
okay.
I think now, by today night things will be okay.
That's interesting.
But I think I could hear what Sanjay Raut was saying.
Yes.
If you can enlighten me on that.
But Sanjay Raut came out and said very, very clearly.
What he said?
That very clearly that they were also open and they were also looking at various options. So he hasn't also committed to, not made any offer, sir. He hasn't made any offer. There's going to be obviously some bargaining that is going to happen. To what extent will you go? What extent? Because you already said the chief ministership is not negotiable. The chief minister will be from the BJP. So it's on the other issues. What are these other issues, sir, in your opinion, in your experience?
I don't think we have a well laid out procedure for how to share the power.
Okay.
So they also know it. But it's a new election. But unless somebody says so, I think all discussions don't happen on TV cameras.
That is of course true, sir. I wish
That's
they
also
did.
a fact of
But they
politics.
don't.
And one must understand it.
See, no, I know, sir, they don't.
Clarifications on the TV channel?
Yes. Yeah.
Mr. Javadekar, congratulations. I was just listening to you very quietly, especially the pauses.
Yes.
You seem to indicate that Shiv Sena is your historic ally, but NCP could be your natural ally, given business inclinations. Would that be a fair interpretation?
No, I have not described like that.
Okay.
Our natural ally was our historical ally.
Mr. Javadekar, the old saying is that one bird in hand is better than two in the bush. Now your problem is that you have one bird in the hand, one in the bush, but you want the bird which is in the bush in your hand. Is that the problem? Given your history with Shiv Sena, 25 years you worked with them.
No, it is not the problem, but yes, we are working even today with them.
Yes, that is true. At the BMC level, as also at the center.
I think that's the way to handle.
Yeah, but Mr. Javadekar, I just want to ask you before I let you go. I know it's difficult for you to come out and take a stand on any particular issue. We are just, the pictures are there for everyone to see. Mr. Modi at the BJP headquarters, he's going to go in for that meeting. Mr. Amit Shah is receiving him, momentous occasion. But fundamentally, will you be more comfortable? Simply this, if you are talking about stability, will you be more comfortable with an alliance partner that is part of the government at the state level? Or will you be okay with the NCP even if it extends support from outside? I'm only asking you now a hypothetical situation, it's an offer. What will make you more comfortable? That's all I'm asking.
No. Anyway, any party will be happy when you have a solid party as an alliance with you in the government, so the stakes of both parties remain intact and they cannot pull the carpet from below. That's one. Second important is that is very important, and but things don't happen in like an arithmetic.
Yes.
In politics, now it's not a game. It's actually a new reality which has to be dawned on everybody. Some people take time, but will come and wisdom will prevail.
Mr. Javadekar, thanks indeed. Thanks indeed for joining us this evening.